Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare VideoScribe and Doodly. The first thing I'm going to share with you are the main advantages and disadvantages I see in both. Then I'm going to compare pricing plans, and then I'm going to show you all the features, like how we can use Doodly and how we can use VideoScribe. So let's start. The first thing that I want to show you are the features and what are some advantages and disadvantages in those. First thing, in VideoScribe you have free trial. You don't have it in Doodly. The second thing, you're gonna have more hand styles in VideoScribe, and you can even, in VideoScribe, you can add in the hand style. Let me show you. So I come here, and I can simply choose driving hand, and I can choose if I want to Mad, Hannah, like just choose the hand. In Doodly, on the other hand, you don't have something like that. I press settings here. Oh no, I'll go here to scene settings. And I have limitations on how many hands I can have. I can't upload the hands. So this is something that VideoScribe has over Doodly. The second thing, that VideoScribe got more image library, more images in the library, but in Doodly you can import custom fonts. You can't do it in VideoScribe. Also, you're gonna have royalty-free sound effects in Doodly. In VideoScribe you don't have it, so you have to upload your own sounds. Another thing really important, that with the Doodly you can't work offline. With VideoScribe you can. What does it mean? That let's say that you are in an airport. With VideoScribe you can simply be in an airport with your notebook and you can work even when you don't have access to Wi-Fi. On Doodly, on the other hand, you can't do it. So this is a huge thing in my opinion. But let's go further. Yes, I was comparing the hand, that with the hand the winner is VideoScribe, but there is a custom image support. So with the Doodly and both VideoScribe, you can upload your images. So, and let's say that you want to upload a spaceship. Here is. With a spaceship in Doodly, you can literally plan how the driving is going to be. So from the left side, you can see it on the screen, from the left side to the right side. On the other hand, in VideoScribe, you can't do it. In VideoScribe, you upload and it will be like the system decides to be. So you can't really plan it out. But, so this is disadvantage to VideoScribe. But with the VideoScribe, you're gonna have better camera zoom pan. Let me show you. So let's say, and I'm going to even show you how you can use it. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to delete the girl here. And let's say that first I'm going to have zoom here, and then I'm going to have transition to zoom on this guy. So how it's going to work out? First, I'm going to remove the camera settings. I'm going to move a little bit this guy here. And first, so we gotta zoom here like this. And then the camera setting will go right here. Like this. And let's play. So I'll press play here, and let me show you. The VideoScribe, it just got better. Bang. And those transitions are much better in VideoScribe comparing to Doodly. So that's another thing. It's like really important. As I mentioned, with the fonts, you can upload font in Doodly. You can do it in VideoScribe. In Doodly, you have more royalty-free sounds. But this is also important, video render options. With video render options, in VideoScribe, you can have MP4. In Doodly, you got it. And also you got 60 FPS in Doodly, and you don't have it in VideoScribe. So that's something to think about. So to summarize the advantages and disadvantages. With the VideoScribe, you can work offline. With the Doodly, you can. With the VideoScribe, you get better zooming option and also unzooming. That's much better in VideoScribe comparing to Doodly. The third thing is that Doodly got, yes, you can import your own fonts. With the VideoScribe, you have more images that you can add, etc. And there is one advantage VideoScribe has over Doodly that not a lot of people are talking about, is that you can have colorful characters. What do I mean? When you're gonna pay, and this is how I'm going to transition to the paid, to the plans. With the Doodly, yes, when you're gonna buy the standard version, you can't have the colorful characters and images and scenes. Only because to have it, you need to pay another $67. So let's say that I'm going to pay $39 a month But to that, I need to pay another $67 one time to have access to the like colorful characters. On the other hand, VideoScribe offers you free trial. Doodly doesn't have a free trial, so you have to actually buy the product to actually try it. But you have 30-day money back guarantee with Doodly. With the VideoScribe, you're gonna have a monthly plan, €25. Doodly is like €32. With monthly plan VideoScribe, you get literally everything. But with the Doodly, you need to buy with the marketplace different things to have access literally to everything. So that's one of the things, and this is what I don't really like, but it's okay, that's their business model, I understand. So with the Doodly, you pay for the standard, and then you have to pay also for, if you want to have more options in the program, more money. On the other hand, with the VideoScribe, you get literally everything. I click here with the images, and I got it. All with colors. That's something you don't have in Doodly. So this is something you should definitely keep in mind. And this is the difference. So to summarize pricing, VideoScribe is cheaper. VideoScribe offers you a free trial. VideoScribe offers you non-market in-app purchases like Doodly does, but maybe you like Doodly more, so you can use Doodly. Also with the images, with a better exporting, also with that you can add your own font, also that you can, I don't know what, that you're just fine using Doodly because you like it more. Another thing is that I think that Doodly is faster comparing to VideoScribe. VideoScribe is amazing, but Doodly, it just feels faster when I animate, when I do everything. So that's another thing. And how we can actually design and do everything. So I come here to scene. So let's say that I'm going to choose the office here and I'm going to move it. I'm going to show you how we can use it. You come here and I can choose the character. So Adam, hand over something. Okay. And Adam is going to hand over something. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to delay the Adam to 0.5 seconds, and I can simply add a text. HR in action. Human resources. And again, I can delay it. You can see it right now, but I can't delay it like this. And 1 second. So now I'm going to play it. So preview. So okay. Let's wait. And this is how we can use Doodly. It's pretty easy, like both softwares are pretty simple to use. Personally, I prefer Doodly of how we can work with things because I think it's more user-friendly, but like comparing, they're both fine. I mean, you just need like a few minutes to learn how to use it and you're good to go. And now, HR in action, and here we got it. Bang. So this is how you can pretty much work with Doodly. On the other hand, when you come here to VideoScribe, I come here and let's say that I can create office. As you can see, it takes a little bit of time to understand. And as you can see, you need to office equipment or category furniture. And I can build it up. So I can delete this one, and I can build it up as much as I want. So as you can see, it feels to me that it's like cheaper to work with. Not cheaper, it's a little bit harder to work with VideoScribe. I don't know about you, but it just feels to me when I was creating something. It's better, it's cheaper, you got free trial, but it's like notebook. You get plenty of scenes that you can use, but maybe I'm doing something wrong. Table. And you can say that, okay, here we go. So voila, here we have it. And I can simply add a text here. This is a text. and I can move it, right? And let's say that I'm going to edit the text, office in action, fine. And as you can see, I can put it like this. Then I can edit how much time it's going to spend to write. Okay, and then I'm going to preview it. So both are fine. Okay, it was really fast. God damn. Oh, I got zoom in there. Nice. So as you can see, damn, those transitions and everything looks cool, right? So this is pretty good and I like it. And I can change also background options here. You can do it in both if you want to. So this is pretty much it how it works. So to summarize this whole video, guys, they are both good tools that you can use for your business. But let's go straight away from the beginning. With the VideoScribe, how we can work. And okay, you got background styles more, you got free trial, more hand styles, more images, custom image support on both, camera zoom pan on both, but I like VideoScribe more, as I mentioned. In fonts, you can import your custom fonts in Doodly. You can do it in VideoScribe. You can use them on multiple devices, yes. But to go further with the images, Doodly is better only because you can order how they should track the images. This is huge. As I mentioned, it's right here. But yes, you get more hand styles in VideoScribe. When we go further, camera zoom is better in VideoScribe. To go even more further and to compare, is that Doodly offers you MP4 if you need it and 60 FPS. So maybe you need it like that. Now to go further, what do I feel about pricing plans? Doodly offers you a standard version and enterprise. It depends how many character images you want. But then you get in-app purchases that you need to buy additional plugins, I would say. On the other hand, VideoScribe, you get free trial. You don't have free trial in Doodly. With the VideoScribe, you get everything covered. So even the colorful images, that if you want to save money, I would go definitely with VideoScribe. If you are on a money standpoint. Only because with the Doodly, you need to actually buy more options and buy the characters, colorful ones. It costs, let me show you, $67. And that's pretty much it. And I mean, they're both fine, but it really depends which one you want to choose. They're both good. Also, in my opinion, VideoScribe is a little bit slower from the software standpoint comparing to Doodly, but that's just like my perspective. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.